Yes. I'm going to be using two methods. Please stay tuned and watch the method that I'm going to be using. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tina. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my groundnut water to regain womanhood. Yeah, I'm a living testimony today because it is what I use to regain my womanhood. I can't be ashamed of myself saying this thing. It is a normal that women has that loose vivi. Yes, it is not a shame that I have to say it today, that it is what I use to regain my womanhood. Yes, that's why I'm here today to share these helpful tips with you guys, how to gain back your womanhood. Yes, and this video is all for the women out there. It is for women out there. Yes, it is normal. It is not by going out with different partners that women will have that losing vivi. No, it is not because of that. And please, if you want to leave any comment in this video, please don't call it the name they usually used to call it. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Just call it Vivi, Punani, you know. You can call it the name that suits that place. You know what I'm talking about. And for this home remedy that we are going to be using, yes, it is something we can find everywhere, which is groundnut or peanut. Here is my groundnut or peanut that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this very one without shea, without salt. This one is natural. Yes, I'm going to be using natural one without salt. This very one is so very effective. Yeah, I prefer to use this very one. So you know that peanut or groundnut, they has a lot of protein, a lot of fiber on it. Yeah, they has a lot of vitamin. Groundnut, it can be used for many things. Yes, if you are not sure about groundnut, you can just go and Google it. You will see the benefit of groundnut. Groundnut, you can use it in many ways. You can use it in many things. I'm going to be using two effective methods for boiling the groundnut so that you will not lose the protein at all. Yes, we are here to gain our womanhood back in a very effective way and in a permanent way. Perfect and permanent. Yes, because of the protein groundnut has, I don't want to lose any protein from this groundnut. I need all the old protein, that rich protein from this groundnut. Yeah, please stay tuned and watch the method that I'm going to be using. What I'm going to be doing now, I'm going ahead to wash my groundnut. It is very, very important to wash your groundnut before using the groundnut because they use a lot of chemical to preserve these groundnuts. Yes, we have to wash it very well. I have to wash my groundnut very well before using it. Yeah, before I get started, I'm going to wash my hand properly before I get started. Yes. I'm just going to try my hands. Then I'm going to be pouring all my groundnut inside this. I'm going to be adding more water to my groundnut. I'm going to be washing my groundnut. Then I'm going to use my strainer to strain the water. Yes. Then I'm going ahead again to wash it several times. Then I grab my flat plate. I'm going to be pouring it in my flat plate like this. Then I'm just going to spread it all over, and I'm going to dry it under the sun. Yes, because today I'm so very happy that there is sun. When it is dry, I will be right back for the next process. After 1 hour, my granule is dry. Yes, my granule is already dry after 1 hour. Yes, now I'm going ahead to pour it inside my pot. I'm going to be adding everything inside my pot. My pot is already washed, my pot is clean already. I'm going to pour everything inside. I'm going ahead to add a drinkable water to the pot. I'm going to be adding 3 cups of glass water into the pot. In the number 1 method, I'm going to be using my pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes because I didn't use normal pot because I don't want to lose the protein that's in this granules. I wish I use the normal pot. Maybe less than 30 minutes I will have to cook my granules. In 10 to 15 minutes I will be right back. Before I open my pot, I'm going to pour some cold water on top of my pressure cooker. Yes, now I'm safe to open my pot, and yeah. Here is my groundnut water over here, well cooked, and the water is brown as you can see. Just going ahead and drain the water from the groundnut. This is what we need from the granules. Yes, it is this brown water we need from the granule. I'm going to be adding the one that I'm going to be drinking in my glass cup. And I'm going to be adding a little bit inside my little bowl right here. Yes. Now I have it in 3 places. This very one, I'm going to let it cool down before I drink this very one. Yes. And this very one, I'm going to leave it for the rest of the day. I will make sure that I finish this very one for today because I don't like leaving my groundnut water inside the fridge. This little one in the bowl, I'm going to be grabbing my cotton wool. Here is my cotton wool. What am I going to be doing with this cotton wool? I'm just going to type in the cotton wool right like this. Then I'm going to drill out a little water, not too dry but not too wet. And this very one, insert it under that VV. Yes, that's one. The main result is this very one. Drinking it, then adding this very one in your VV. Yes, or any name you call it, Jerusalem or Punani, anyone you call it. Yes, just install it over there, then leave it for 2 hours. Please don't forget it over there. Then you take it off and wash your body. Repeat this process for 5 days. It is what I tried. It is what I do. I know how it works. Yes, this is what I use to regain my womanhood. Yeah, I'm going to be using a steamer for the second method. Yes, you can either use any of the method, they work perfectly. Just in case, if you have steamer, you can also use steamer cooker or pressure cooker or normal pot. Yes, but the way I normally cook my granules, I either use my steamer cooker or my pressure cooker. Yes, you can use any of the method, they still work perfectly. Yes, what I'm going to be doing with my steamer cooker, I'm going ahead to pour water on my steamer cooker. Here is my strainer. This cooker normally came with a strainer, and the water is going to be dropping in this very bowl right here. Here is my groundnut. My groundnut is already washed and dried, and I'm going ahead to pour my groundnut. As for my steamer, I'm going to be using it for 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, I will be right back. After 30 minutes, I'm going to be removing the granules. I'm going to be removing it. And here is the water I got from the granule. Here is my glass cup. Then I'm just going to be pouring it here. Yeah, this is the water I got from the steamer. You add of the two methods, they both work perfectly. Yes, anyone you have, you can use any of them. Yes, you can either use normal pot, then you have to leave your granule to cook like 30 minutes before using your granule water, or either you can go with your pressure cooker, then you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, that one is more faster than the normal pot. Or you can use your steamer, you can use your steamer cooker. Yes, steamer cooker is the best. As for me, steamer cooker is the best. Yes, I normally use steamer cooker. That's why I also try a steamer cooker for this method, because I love steamer cooker. Any of the method you use, they work perfectly. Yes, all what you need is this water. Boil it, drink it every day, and install the main one inside the VV, inside the Punani, anyhow you call it. Please, if you want to leave a comment on the comment section below, you can just drop a name like Jerusalem, VV, Punani. You can just drop the name like that. Please don't use the normal name they normally used to call it, And I hope that this home remedy will help you a lot, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye. Tastes good.